Flashy. Shooey. Okay. You know what time it is? I got the slime blocks and I got whatever this is. I finally figured out how people do it. Alright. No! Go down. Guys, POV me in space. Pew 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 pew. POV me on space. Do do boop 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 boop. I'm just waiting until I get down. Alright, wait, hold on. I'm trying to get low enough to the point where I get the coins. Alright, I think I got the coins now. Okay. Alright. I gotta get there like this. Now we just gotta wait. Helicopter, helicopter, copter. Ah, burp, 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 ah, burp, 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 burp. I gotta keep following the treasure map. I hate being sick. Keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on going. Yay. Okay, now once I'm done collecting my rewards, after this I need to test something. Bro, hurry up. I want to test it. Yeah, okay, so we skipped 2, but that's alright. Nice. Wow. I'm missing a little bit. Alright, so what I wanted to test was, what if we make a raft using that? And now these are obviously heavier than wood blocks, so I'm gonna try this. Alright, now launch. I'm in space. I'm in space. Alright. Wow. Is someone trying to make a... Bro, what is that? Why is it... Somebody trying to break the dog. That's not even on the world border. Oh, come on. I'm gonna keep going. No, I don't care how high I go. All I need to do is just explode this barrel. Okay, yeah, she's definitely trying to lag the game. What's that thing? Okay, that's it. Oh, I can't even see anything. Yeah, she's definitely trying to lag the game. POV, you're in a maze. Alright, I gotta get out. Which way do I go, guys? That way, or that way? I'm gonna go this way. This looks promising. Whoa. Nope. Ooh, which one is here? I can squeeze through. Wait, hold up. Oh, hey, you can just do that, I guess. What the? Oh, dang. I finally. I put my settings back to normal. Hey, I'm at the top of the leaderboard. Ouija. 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 Great, this is even worse. Dog, I'm just trying to... Alright, I gotta escape. I have to escape. And I know the only way. Alright, crap, I gotta hurry. Alright. Alright, I'm not facing that lag again. Alright, I'm gonna go super turbo mode. Helicopter. Wait, hold up, I need to know what's up there. Keep on going. What's up there? Oh, crap. They're just finding more and more ways to lag the server. I'm gonna leave them a stinky surprise. Me. Yeah, I'm definitely rejoining another server. What the heck? When does the creator of Skibidi Toilet play Roblox? Imagine the creator of Skibidi Toilet just starts making Skibidi Toilet content and then just goes to Roblox. I wanna be crazy. No, not that. Alright, wait, I'm gonna be careful. Not too fast. Not too fast, or else I'll go like a helicopter. Ahead. Jump. Alright, now keep on going. Jump again. Keep on going. Jump. Keep on going. Jump. Keep on going. Alright, wait. Wait, hold on. Are we gonna make it? Crap. That hurt. But that's alright. Jump. Alright, now I'll just gotta... Alright, we made it. Alright, helicopter. Stop helicoptering. Just go down. 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 Alright guys, this might be a stupid idea, but... Ah! Yippee! Guys, this is how you grind for gold. Well, seriously, this is how you grind for gold. Okay, so when I first played this game, I didn't have these blocks. I didn't have these either. I didn't have any of these. But then I grinded and grinded and grinded, and then I had all of these except for this right here and the gel. But what I found out is that you could buy the hinge block in the store for only 50 gold. So I grinded 50 gold, which took surprisingly a long time. And then after not playing for a while, I woke up and I just had this. I didn't do anything to get this. Let me see if I have done. Start. Oh, that's easy, bro. This is no flying parts. Come on, come on, come on, I can touch it. Yes! Oh crap, oh god. The reason why I won't go down is because I keep spinning like a helicopter. And also, yeah, probably not just that. I'm just gonna wait until I go down. Ow! You hurt me, I'm leaving. My name. I'm gonna do another quest. Soccer, what? There's a soccer. Score a goal with a giant restricted building area. In ice. It's chilly outside. Build a boat to reach you. Beware the cold, causing blocks to fragile. Oh. Now start. Alright, now this might be easy. Oh. Alright, so basically this quest is just be messy. Be messy Ronaldo. Bro, why does this always go off? Stop! Target. Yeah, sure. Oh. Alright, now start. Oh. Alright, so I can build in this area. Now, bro, imagine I turn on, alright, if I turn on the launch, will the target fall? That's what I'm asking. Because I don't want that to fall. Like, I need to touch it. Anyways. No, wait, stop. Avatar touch. Alright. Actually, I can get even more gold. Stop, I went too fast. Yep, I'm going down. Just slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. So guys, how are you enjoying the video so far? I'm probably about to end it soon. Yeah, I'm definitely probably gonna end it soon. Oh, now that I come down, you decide to just, oh hey, more water. Okay, wait. The lighthouse is a little bit difficult. Alright guys, we're gonna make it for the like 5th time in a row. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Speed run! Alright. How did I... Okay. Alright, let's see. Wait, hold up before I do that. Alright, now it's time to do another quest. So we did those two. Alright. So this is gonna be really, really hard. Because if I try to fly by, the Joe might die. And the Joe is super important for this challenge. Let's get the Joe. Alright, launch. Alright, everything's at 1 HP. Oh god. Alright. Speed run. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Wait, this is really bad, this is really bad. Alright. Okay, this is really bad. Alright, I might die, I might die, I might die. No way, I made it! I did it! Guys, I did it! Okay, finally. I can get it down in time. Yippee. Alright. Give me my coins! Yeah. Yippee! We just finished that. And holy God, that was a disaster. Alright, so we did all of these. Find me. Huh? Oh. Nothing this can fix. Hey. Alright, and where's the other one? Is it somewhere in the trees? Bro, where is it? Dude, I have a whole 360 view. Where is this thing? Okay, that's it. They made me bring out the big guns. They shouldn't have done this. Now I bring out the big guns. Alright. Bro, this is really this isn't some intense, how do I call this? Hide and seek music. Dude, I can't do it. Where is it? Is it like somewhere in the sky? Sky hunting. What? It's right there. How does one even get up there? Oh my god, bro. Okay, how do I... Dude, I clicked it. Okay, wait, this might be a little harder than I thought. What? Wait, no. No. Stop. What's going on? Why does this appear? Oh, I need to... Alright, so I need to somehow get on that. POV, me in Minecraft battles. You never... Wait! I just realized. Okay, I don't know why I'm like the shortest thing in the world. Let's check on the trees because maybe... telling me to be quiet when you be talking to Sante on it. Oh dang, get like no work done. And you say, maybe. I'm talking about teacher you something. Wait, no, wait, I don't want to. Okay, bro, where is this? I'm short now. I can fit. Okay. Bro, poor monkey. He can't even see anything. He doesn't even know where he's going. Poor guy. So I found like 4, so I need to find the last one. Wait, hold up. First I need to check under some... Bro, where is this? I've been looking for like 5 minutes. Okay, guys, well, I should probably end the video here. I'll tell you if I find it or not.